I wonder if anybody can figure out what I've bought now.
Retrotech Ralph is proudly sponsored by my friends at One Click Print. However you want your prints, they offer quality and premium service on a variety of materials. Visit them at oneclickprint.com.
Hi guys, Retrotech Ralph here with another unboxing, Xbox One unboxing. Anybody knows a lot about this channel, apart from me obviously, will know that I have two other controllers for the Xbox One. This is an unboxing for this, just to show you what you get in the box. That's coming in a second. My first one, this is the one reason why I've bought this, is I got this for free. It was quite a while ago. I did the mods on the stick on there. I did a different one with a friend of mine, or I did one of the shoulder buttons, which is an easy enough fix to do. But for some reason, this just won't work properly. The stick has little issues with it. I think the problem with it is there's nothing wrong with actually how you install it. It's the quality of the stick mechanism inside of here. And I have tried so many different things to get this thing working properly off camera. I'm not saying that my video wasn't very good. It's absolutely spot on for what you need if you've got a problem with stick shift or whatever else on this part here. But it just wants better quality components. So this is unusable. I was trying to use this in the house on the PC, but when Tim, thank you very much Tim, whose username is BFET66 on Discord. If you know him, you know him. If you don't, then he's a good guy to talk to. He's one of the Patreons. If you want to be a Patreon, on the scroll at the beginning, then get in touch, help out the channel. Even if you want to donate something to me, then get in touch via the links in the channel description or in the video description. Yeah, he sent an Xbox One, a 1 terabyte Xbox One, fully boxed, brand new power supply. Tim, if you're watching this, it is actually installed right here, right over there, right in the corner. You can see this bit here. That's your Xbox. This is your controller that I have been using on the Xbox in the house. Works perfect, absolutely spot on perfect. It's the Sea of Pirates or Sea of some whatever. I don't know what it is. I'm not that much into games, I'm sure, anyway, but I've been playing this in the Sea of Thieves. There you go. Yes, I'm that good, you see. Yeah, I've been playing this in there. You might wonder what one of those is. That's a magnetic connector for the USB. I use these on a lot of little items anyway. I've got this one here, it's for a USB-C, that one's a USB micro. This will come in apparent in a few moments with this. So let's put these to one side. That works perfectly, and that will be in here when I play the Xbox One. Tim, it's there. So let's open this up. This is brand new to me. This has had to just come today. I have removed the seal, unfortunately, so just peel that across. It is there if you want to see that, if you want any problems with it. Robot White. This is £50 on Amazon. No affiliate links, no anything links, because they don't pay me to do this stuff. Would like it if they did. So get the joystick controller, comes whatever, gubbins and stuff like that. It'll take 2 batteries, right? This is brand new. I wanted a brand new because of this one, because of this stick lag or whatever it is. It just doesn't do straight. Exactly the same as these Xbox Ones. These are for the One S or the One Series S or whatever it is. They have a share button in the middle. They're exactly the same. So even if you buy one of these for your Xbox, it will work perfectly fine. If you bought one of these for the S, you don't have the share button. Simple difference. So we open up, it comes like this. Pretty. Take out the controller. I'll show you what's the controller in a moment. It comes with 2 AA batteries, although I do like to use one of these, which is the Xbox battery pack. It connects on the 4 connectors here, or it can do there and there as well, but you do have a nice little rechargeable battery. This is official. This is the proper one for the Xbox. So yes, this isn't a Chinese rip-off. This isn't a copy from wherever, anywhere, dubious or whatever. but it is a proper battery for that. It's probably just 2 of these stuffed inside it, but other than that, I don't even say it. Just Duracell OEM. Okay, not for resale. I won't be using these. I'll use them on other projects anyway, so they're up there doing nothing. Inside the box, plastic. That's just a cardboard thing. Well, that's interesting. You have the instructions on how to put the batteries in, press the button, pair up with either your series standard, your S or your X or whatever. It will come backwards compatible to the original Xbox One. Press the side button, yes, done, happy. Accessories if you want to calibrate or whatever on the internet. These can easily be used via the dongle that you get that will plug into the PC. Full warranty in every language possible for Microsoft. And there's also inside here the Ultimate Game Pass for the Xbox. If I turn this over, there is a code. I assume that that code has been printed on here, so it's a 14-day code. I'm not 100% certain if this is a trial or not, or whether or not it's just been printed off for everybody. So this code underneath here will be what everybody can see, or if it's a one-off code. I'm not showing that. I want to put it in my own Xbox myself and get rid of the 14 days free. So it comes with that anyway. So I'm going to have a quicker, closer look at this. I'll just tidy up the decks a little bit. Everything clear, apart from the Xbox over here. Thank you again, Tim. So the white, well, it says robot white, but I assume it's like the, yeah, it's like the Wall-E sort of robotic sort of colour. It's kind of weird, robot's a bit white. I don't know why, but, you know, hey-ho. Standard buttons, A, B, X, Y. You've got your 2 buttons there for your through your menus. You've got your standard Xbox button in black, but it does glow at white, and your new share button in the middle. Standard left and right thumbsticks and a D-pad, which is more online to what the Elite one looks a bit like, but doesn't. I don't think it's exactly like, but it looks like a standard D-pad. I do prefer the other one. All right, I'll show you the other one in here, which is just kind of comes through, but that's kind of looks a little different. See? But this isn't an Elite pad. Trust me, it's good, but no, I don't know what the Elite one is. I don't have one. So let me get you a little closer and have a look at this thing. There. Very nice. This is brand new, except for that weird bit of, don't know why that's on there. I'll pick at that, I'm sure, and that'll destroy the top bit anyway. Very nice and clean. It's nice actually to get a controller which is brand new. I haven't bought a controller new in quite a long time. I think I got there's a couple of retro controllers I've bought which are brand new, but for an actual current console, not one that is compatible to the current console, then yeah, you know what I mean. It's not a retro thingy built one like the Monster Joysticks or the, I forgot what you call the blooming thing, but I got it a while ago, the Arcade R, there you go. Remembered it eventually. But this is, yeah, this is nice. Battery compartment on there to show it's still brand new. Done, happy. There is a screw behind there, so it's exactly the same as the others. It's just it's got the share button on the front. These parts will come off, and I'm not taking them off because I don't want to, because this is working absolutely fine. You've got on the back here, you've got kind of a ridged pattern there on the back, smooth matte on the rest of it. So this is not going to stay clean for long, I'm sure. It'll probably turn yellow, it'll probably turn whatever. Sync wireless button there, and there you have the USB-C charging port. That's the only thing difference between this and let's say that one, because that has got the USB micro. That's the only difference there. So hence me having one of these. This is USB-C to a magnetic connector that I use on a couple of cables in the house, but a lot of the other gadgets have it on there. It basically, for me, because I have this on my phone as well, it stops the constant in out of the socket. So one thing's plugged in there permanent, which just goes in and pushes in place, and then it does stick out a little bit. It does not have any detriment to playing any games. It just means this will charge by putting a magnetic cable on the end of here, and I haven't got to faff around with it. It also does data as well, so yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Also, let's plug in the power pack as well. Shame you can't get a white one of these, really. It could look quite well with it. So put it in that end first, because you do put 2 batteries in there, with which is positive, negative that side, which goes the other opposite way down there. Yeah, it's entirely to you, but this, with having a charging port there, this will charge that battery as well. So it is quite tight in there, which is good. You don't want that to fall out. So closed and done. Top side is very matte flat, shall we say. The buttons have the ridged on the triggers and the top of the buttons there, but most of it is just flat matte. It is quite nice, but I will find problems with this soon enough, I'm sure, by putting fingerprints on there. So to pair it up, press and hold. That will now flash there merrily until it finds its own place. So what I'm going to do, you'll hear in the background there. So all I need to do is zoom out. I haven't got the Xbox on the screen, however, at the side of the Xbox there is a silver button. I will press that, which then will make the Xbox logo on the Xbox One flash crazily. I will press the pairing button on there till that flashes crazily, and then it's paired. Done. That's as difficult as pairing up a joystick is. Now what I'll do, because this is now for the house, this is for my PC to play games on the PC with, because it's pretty good. And like I say, that one will be for in here. But that one is already paired up anyway. That has no batteries in, because I took the battery pack out for this one. But that's going to be in here, that's going to be in the house. But there we go, that's basically the unboxing. I have 3 controllers. If I ever want to play 2-player Xbox in here, if I want to play a 2-player PC in the house, which I don't usually, then I've got at least 2 controllers that work perfectly fine. This one needs further investigation, or thrown in the bin, or given away as whatever. So at the minute, yeah, it's not working happily. But this isn't about that. This is about the white, robot white Xbox One controller. That's all you get in a box. It's not much, but it's perfectly what you need for what you... Yeah, you've got batteries, you've got a wireless controller, which is fine, which is all you need. If you want the battery pack, that's sold separately. If you want these magnetic clips, they're on Amazon. Everything's on Amazon. Go and buy them. Everything's there. If not, then go find your local computer shop and go find stuff. Ah, there we go. Better. Done. Better now. So, yeah. Simple video. But this is absolutely spot on. Like I said, I wanted to buy this because of the drift that this thing is giving me at the moment. So, yeah, I'll fork out 50 quid for one of these. Not a problem at all. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. If you want to be like Tim, who donated the Sea of Thieves controller and the Xbox One, if you're that generous, please get in touch. I would love to do a review. I would love you to be a patron. Anybody would love to be a patron of the channel, so you can help out and your name will be on the scroll. I actually thought about actually moving that to the end, but I'm not quite sure what I want to do yet. But at the minute it's all at the beginning. There's always a 30-second intro at the beginning of the channel anyway, but I have to help give a big shout out to one of the people who keep the channel going, which is the sponsor with One Click Print, and the Patreons. They're all at the beginning there, so it's a big thank you to those guys for keeping this channel going, and I'm really appreciative of everything that you do, even if it's just a little hello, or if it's whether or not it's something amazing like that. Anything helps boost the channel, boosts my well-being, and keeps everything going. Anything and everything, and I'm happy to call you friends and call you patrons, all of you. So with that in mind, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. Quick snippet for the end. I've tried the code. It doesn't work for me because I'm already an existing Xbox Game Pass member. If you're new, please use the code and get yourself 2 weeks free with the possible addition of more. I put in a 3-month code the other day and got an extra month for free. I even got a 3-month pass for £1. Go use the ticket, use the code, enjoy.